What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this abstract shirt dress. It's easy, I promise. To make this DIY, you need some abstract face print out. Printed mine off Google. Some fabric paint. I got this from Acrylics in Osu. So the first thing is to cut out the color of the shirt. I used an oversized men's shirt for this look. Place the print under the shirt and then use a pencil to trace it out. Then you take your next print and place it underneath as well, but closer to the first one, and then trace that one out as well. Then you take your fabric paint using a small paintbrush and then you paint on the shirt. So I put a paper underneath before putting the paint on it so it doesn't stain the other side of the shirt. So the pencil is basically going to be your guideline for this. Take your time and then just do this. Mine looks like this because I actually just forwarded the tutorial, but I took my time to make sure that I get in well. So you can just outline first, and then when you're done, if you want it to still look deeper, you just go over it again. That's exactly what I did. So the fun thing about this is because it's abstract, you can just put the print however you want. So you notice that some of my faces are turned upside down and some are also very close and look like two faces in one. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah, that's it. Just do you and have fun with it. After this, you leave it to dry for like a few hours, then you're ready to rock it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.